Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Tech Tricks. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can remove all the unwanted data from Excel. So for that, I have taken this Excel sheet as an example. Okay. So this is a sample data, and in this sample data, come to the column A, and in column A you can see there are so many unwanted data in it. Okay, along with the company name. Some numbers are coming, some comma are coming. Okay, so these things we don't want. We only want the name of the company. So what we will do, just first of all select this second column, right click and insert. Okay, now what we have done, we have created a new column, new blank column here. Okay, now come to this column number A, come to home. After just select this column number A, come to this data part, and in data come to text to column. After that you will see this option delimited. Okay, then do next. After that, here it will ask you how you are going to separate the data. Either you can see here what we have comma. Okay, so you can select comma here. Okay, and just select comma here because there is a comma between the number and the company name. So from comma we can separate these two. Okay, see here we have selected comma. Just we have selected comma. Now you can see the company name is coming in different part, and these numbers are coming in different part. If you have some other data, then you can click on other, and here you can write whatever you want to, whatever the things you want to write to separate this thing. Okay, so here I have clicked on comma and then next and then finish. Now you can see all the numbers are coming here, all the company names are coming here. So now we got the proper company name. Okay, now copy this company name and paste it here and then delete it. Now it's done. Just save it and it's done. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, just like it, subscribe my channel and share it as much as you can. Thank you.